What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we go. Shower remodel only, not a full bathroom remodel as we usually do. Here is the space this enclosure is going. We have basically builder's grade that is failing. Here's the tile that we're going to install. It's 16 by 48. But let's show you why this shower needs to be remodeled. Builder's grade on drywall, damage there. Tiles are falling out. So it's gonna be a pretty easy demo. We're gonna cut here, pull it off in sections. We will be keeping the tub. We will protect the tub. We like to use carpet protector. It's a thick plastic with adhesive on the back, so we'll take care of that as well. All right, we are making progress. We have our new valve on this wall for the tub, new valve installed on the shower wall. We're now framing a pony wall for the glass enclosure. Super simple, ram set, and yeah, making progress. Boards going on, band. We'll tackle the shower pan tomorrow.
Fire in the hole.
All right, folks, here we go. Waterproofing time. Full bucket of thinny. All set is what we're using. We like to pre-cut all of our band. A lot of seams and penetrations need to be waterproofed for this large area. Here's the shower. Here's the tub surround. Let's get to work. All right, guys, we're installing our shower tray. We like to back butter the trays. Sticks a lot better. Going on the slab here. And then we will place a level on it to make sure the tray is level from left to right, front and back. All right, guys, we got this cool curb. We buy 1 Schluter curb and we can cut 4 curbs out of it. Of course, you have to add a little bit of Curdy board to it, but low profile, saves you some money. Let's install. Easy way to cut a 4-foot tile. Use a square. We're moving right along. Very fast installation for this large format tile. Laid it out at a straight pattern. Everything's looking good. Finished the shower pan. This looks amazing as well. We're gonna cap off this pony wall, and then that's it for today.